How to make ssh-agent automatically add the key on demand? I want to run ssh-agent, with maximum lifetime option, but not add any keys at startup, but instead add them on demand. Like first time I log into some server it should ask for passphrase, next time, unless I waited for more than an hour, it should connect cleanly. I don't want to manually remember about running SSH at each time. For example, entered passphrase for just for SSH and oh, it hasn't remembered, need to retype. How to configure SSH to automatically add key to ssh-agent if user provided the passphrase?
SSH supports adding a key to the agent on first use, since version 7.2. And NBSP, you can enable that feature by putting the following into //.ssh/config. This also works when using derivative tools, such as Git. From the 7.2 changelog. SSH1, add an ssh-agent client option which can be set to yes, no, ask, or confirm, and defaults to no apostrophe dot and NBSP, when enabled, a private key that is used during authentication will be added to ssh-agent if it is running, with confirmation enabled if set to confirm.
You could cheat and put something like alias ssh equals sh-add vertical bar ssh add and amp semicolon and amp ssh on your .bashrik.profile. This first runs ssh add l, which can return 0, there are keys on agent, 1, no keys, or 2, no agent running. If it returns 0, ssh will run, if 1, ssh add will run and then ssh, if 2, ssh add will fail and ssh won't be run. Replace the and amp semicolon and amp with, if you want ssh to run even when there's no agent running.
Until autocall ssh add is supported by ssh, I added this in my .bash, based on Kovensky proposal. The alias is created only if the identity is not added, and the alias destroys itself once run. This way the regular ssh command is used after the identity has been added.
I'm using the following shell function. It first resolves the configuration for the host I'm trying to connect to, then adds possible keys for that host to the ssh-agent, if they're not added yet, and finally connects to the host. I'm sure it can be improved, so I'm open for feedback.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.